Alright, so on our previous video, we have an error on the scenario. So what we're gonna do is, since, like I said, I like in the first video, you need to go to macros, and after that you need to define your parameters, and then after that you go to resources and click right click, then as you click right click, go to macros. Then you can see this, just click number of worker A and then paste it. But since it's an error, it says that number of units must be between 1 and 9999. So what we can do is we could go to where's that? Macros again. And then as you can see in here, I type 1, 2, 3 and my baseline. So since this model is a 3-2-1 matrix, so what you can do is change it to 3-2-1, and it will now work. And let me just recheck it in Scenario Manager. Okay, not yet on the third one. Check it again. Now it's changed in 3-2-1, and we have already defined our three scenarios, so we could run it by now. Alright, so on it will work at 8 a.m. in the morning. See, then on 10 p.m. goes to the canteen. Right. So we did it. So that's how you do the scenario parameter. I mean the scenarios.